We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L8610 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace your waste toner box. So if you've been getting a replace waste toner box message on your screen here, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. First thing you're going to want to do is we're going to want to lower this front cover. So you're going to push this button at the top right hand corner of the printer. Lower that down to its full open position. And the next thing we need to do is we need to remove our drum tray here. So we're going to grab this number 1 handle, pull it all the way out. Once you have it pulled all the way out, over here on the left side, there's this little green tab marked number 2. You're going to push it over to the left, and it should kind of stay at about a 45-degree angle. And once you have it there, you're going to grab the number 1 handle. Here in the back, you're going to see handle marked number 3. You're going to grab that as well. You're going to lift up on number 1 until you can very gently remove the whole toner tray and with the drums and everything. Now you're going to go ahead and set that down on a clean, dry, flat surface. Next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to remove our transfer belt. So when we look inside the printer here, you're going to see another green handle here at the front of the printer. You're just going to reach in, you're going to grab that green handle and very carefully remove your transfer belt. Be careful not to touch any of this film or anything here. If you do, that can cause a lot of print defects. So very important to only handle it by holding it on the plastic. Again, set this on a clean, dry, flat surface. And if we look in just a little bit further, you're going to see this big blue handle here in the front, and that's our waste toner box. So we need to remove that. This one still actually has the security tabs in it, so we need to remove the security tabs. And then you're just going to lift straight up on that waste toner and pull it straight out. Very simple. Set that off to the side. Now you're just going to unpack your new waste toner. Double check it, make sure it doesn't have any packaging material on it. Then again, holding it by the handle, you're just going to gently slide it back inside the printer until it sits down into place. Then you're going to go ahead and pick up your transfer belt. Again, only holding it by the plastic. Carefully slide it back inside the printer. Set it down until it clicks down into place. And now we're going to replace our drum and toner tray here. Again, starting up at an angle, set the back of the tray in, lower that down. Once you have it set in there, you're going to flick this number 2 lever back over so it should be standing straight up. Now we can push our toner tray all the way in. Close this front cover and give the printer a second to initialize. It'll notice there's a new waste toner box in there, and that'll take care of that message. Again, very simple. Just a few steps are involved, but anybody can handle it. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.